Okay, welcome back, Brad and Ali's Adventures. I'm Brad, Ali's having a rest. It's been a little while. We've had not much to report on, I guess. So the difference between creating wow content and creating, hey, we're on the road full-time content. Sometimes life gets in the way. You've got to deal with accounts and appointments and stuff. So we haven't really done too much of documenting that, but I figure now I'm just going to get back into it and we'll throw everything at it, what it's like on the road, and find out what else. It might not all be rainbows and waterfalls, but it might be the reality of it. We're still loving it and loving each other and having a ball. And now we'll get into a video on a few more mods that I've been trying to make for ages. So you might notice different places, different outfits, but it's still the same. And then hopefully we'll get back to putting some fun stuff out there and showing you Australia as we travel around. That's it. So when looking at all our weight issues, we found that they've got the heavy duty mat in the tunnel boot. Take this out. It's the same mat that is on the back of the ute. It's kind of deteriorating now, but we've got these little lightweight thingos that are blowing in the wind. I'm going to replace them with the edges on here that I've got at home. We can pack that in there and have an ultra lightweight alternative to all that weight in the tunnel boot, plus have a non-slip surface. So got that fitting in there with just a little bit gap there. Goes all the way over, so we'll go to the other side now and fill in around the brake controller. That's otherwise pretty good. So managed to get that pretty well in there. There's a little bit of a gap at the front of that, but it's all balanced, locked in, and beautiful sound you hear. Ali practicing her recorder. Playing it like a flute, but it sounds lovely. So on the right hand side of the van we've put a spare toilet cassette, the hoses and a light box of accessories, and over on the left hand side of the van got the ladder, the awning gear, and then up there I've put a bag that holds the rain flooring, so it's like flooring you can put out in the rain. Here we are inside again, just with some other things that we've done. So I'm going to show, we had a bathroom door that was a timber door that sort of slid around here, but it was very annoying because it kept flying backwards and forwards. So we took it off. It had a whole, oh, there's my towel, a whole timber batten thing, which looked the same as that. Then we took the batten thing that went all the way around here, took that off, put the door in storage in case we sell it and someone wants a door. But then we've been able to put this up. Weighs next to nothing. The door wasn't overly heavy, it was more annoying. But this curtain, with a little magnetic clipper, curtain it across, heaps easy, and it weighs next to nothing. It's only us two in here. It's a bit of privacy if you need it, but it's yeah, just another little thing. Another minor modification we've done was actually recommended by Trip in a Van. They did a video about this. Simplest, cheapest modification that has been so handy. I'll put a link somewhere in here or down in the description. But yeah, it's this simple turnbuckle wire that turns into a clothesline, which is very handy. So we have a washing machine in here, plus if you just wash it in a bucket, or your towels overnight or in the morning, it's a real simple, costs less than $30, easy to do, put up there, and you don't have to carry an extra piece of equipment like a clothesline. So some other weight issues that we've addressed are excess gas bottles. So we did have 3, now we've got 2. When we had the front box alteration by Fat Dab Custom, they removed the big box, changed the gas bottles, did all that. I can put a link to that video if you haven't seen it. We decided to keep the 2 9-kilo bottles, or 8.5. We had one bottle running the main caravan, and that's lasted about 3 months. We only just filled that up. So when we were last in Ballina, I got an extra cord, an extra long cord to connect to the Weber, because I did have another 4.5 kilo bottle for the Weber. So now we've got the long cord, comes out, connects straight into the Weber, and then I don't have to worry about bringing that extra gas. The Weber then normally fits in here with the trolley, straps in. We've got the bikes, table, everything else is done. We've put a little solar panel up on the, I hope it's still there, solar panel up on that to help charge the canopy and the house battery. And the last thing we're going to do is put some airbags under this, just to give it a little bit of a tilt, a lift in the back end. The weights are pretty good, we think. We're trying to look at another way around, but we've definitely dropped a heap of weight. We can tell by feeling it and what we've taken out. So we just need to put the airbags on, reset it, and just keep going. I think it's like anything. You just keep chunking money at it until it's fixed or breaks, one or the other. So yes, Ali's still with me. She's just enjoying the rest and the beautiful sun we have. So that's our little update for now. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. If you've got this far, we'll try and get some more, well actually I'll make an effort to get some more videos of not just the fun stuff, but also everything that happens when you live full time in a 19'6" Lotus Trooper. Okay, have a good day. Cheers.